A Kodiak bear catching and eating a migrating salmon on Kodiak Island, Alaska. The bear's powerful claws held the live salmon securely in place, whilst the bear ripped it apart to eat. The bear was watching the river and could see the salmon slowly swimming upstream, but a threat and the salmon put on a burst of speed to try and avoid the danger. The salmon was swimming back up the river of its birth to spawn when the bear caught it, so it wasn't successful in reproducing its species.